worry, I'm not going to show your
A
face.
tree.
I'm with our patient today, Medestone. How you doing, Medestone?
I'm doing good.
You're okay if I video your, well, whatever you have here, for our friends on YouTube?
Sure.
Now, is it true that your husband tried to hack off a limb with a chainsaw?
Yes, he did, but he hit the wrong limb.
That's a good one. You got
This
me there.
is from the tip of the chainsaw.
Just the very tip, guy.
I mean, he was sawing the limb, and he kind of went past where he wanted to go in
Made
my
it look
arm.
like an accident, right?
Yeah, I was holding the limb.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so wait a minute. You were holding a limb and your husband was working the chainsaw? Mm-hmm. Okay, at first I was thinking that maybe I should put the blame on him, but now I'm not quite so sure.
well,
Well, it looks like you had a whole lot of stitches put in there.
18.
18, and it looks like there might even be some staples in there.
No, she didn't put staples. She said she would have, but I lost skin.
Okay, because it looks like, I'm trying to find something I can point
It was
at.
jagged. It was real jagged.
I want to point right there.
That was the bad part.
That almost looks like a little staple, but it's not. Okay, so
So
how many days ago?
A week Saturday.
Okay, so it looks like it's healed pretty well. You didn't put any ointments on there, right?
No.
Good. So
I was told.
That's important.
Soap.
Wonderful. You just
Dove.
clean it with soap and water once a day and leave it dry. So yeah, we're gonna have to. You've got some scab in there. I think that's sort of gonna make the suture removal a little bit more complicated,
okay.
and we don't want you to bleed or hurt. So we're gonna soak it with a little solution, a little saline, and then we will remove the rest of those. Gumby Jean started and said, "You better come check this out, Doc." So
Yeah.
well, we had to get your story. Thanks for sharing.
It's going.
And I'm glad you.
Yeah. And the moral of the story
You
is.
can move your fingers.
Oh yeah.
Everything still works okay?
Thank goodness I did not hit any tendons,
Yeah.
any muscle. I mean,
think you
it was
definitely-
quick.
Yeah.
It was just a. Zzz.
Did it hurt?
No, not really.
It's amazing, isn't it?
I grabbed it,
Yeah.
ran to the kitchen, put it under the running water,
Yeah.
and then he did a tourniquet here,
Oh, sure.
and then I got a big giant towel, wrapped it, and away we went to the ER.
Good for you. All right. Well, I think you're going to heal fine. And
But you can't go to the urgent care. I went there first.
yeah, they probably tried to meet you out front. And
They said, no. You need to
Yeah.
go to the ER.
If the injury involves a chainsaw, that's kind of one of those.
Just,
yeah.
you know,
Did
and
she
of
say
course-
chainsaw? No, send her over to the ER, please. Yeah.
And of course, I got all the jokes. My brother-in-law sent me the chainsaw massacre guy
Yeah, that's good.
on a text message.
And so the important thing to remember, folks, is if somebody is working on removing some limbs with a chainsaw, don't offer to hold the limbs.
Nope.
Just don't do that.
No.
All right, we'll get those out for you in a minute. So we got Gumby Jean. All right.
Guys,
All right.
it should be good and
Soft.
soft.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have it sit.
It still kind of looks nasty.
Well, it's only been a week, so yeah.
Make sure I don't get your toes.
If you
fall
run
off
over
the
her
chair.
toes, then it's just more fun
She's
for me.
made of stone anyway.
She's Medestone.
All right. I'm camera shy.
You're doing fine. Just keep
I
it-
can't grip it.
They look like little hairs.
They do. They really. I think those were 4s. I think they had to use 4.0 because of the size.
Yeah, she kept having to open up another pack. And it was kind of cool.
Can't
The little
get
circle.
under there.
You can do it, Gumby Jean.
I know I can. Oh, come on.
Lift it up. Slide that in there and give it a little snip. You got it.
It's a knotted, so. Okay, there we go.
There you go. Yeah.
Woo, I'm sweating. It's like trying to deactivate a bomb.
Don't cut the rib.
Don't cut the red.
Don't cut the rib. Everybody knows.
Roses are red.
Green or black? Green or black? Cut the green wire.
Violets are blue. Remember, have you ever seen Rush Hour? When they're trying to take the bum off of the little girl.
Oh. Is that like 1, 2, or 3? Weren't there several of those? Rush
Yeah,
Hour?
but she was like, yeah, the first one.
This is where she really had to keep sewing and sewing. That's why it's so hard.
She probably put mesh in there.
No.
I'm just kidding.
She just...
No.
Gummy's the star. Well, Maidstone's the star.
Does that hurt?
No.
Okay. That was.
It hurt her more than it hurt me.
I'm hurting. Should have made your husband come up here and watch.
I know it.
I'll bet he really felt bad, though.
He did. He's probably thinking about it now.
He's probably still doing dishes. He's still taking the trash out. Those are things he should be doing anyway.
That's right.
So, but now we just, imagine now if he does something, what are you going to do? Take your chainsaw out on me again?
Right.
Yeah, he had the nerve. Was it yesterday? Because the tree's still sitting there half cut.
He
forgot about the tree.
He said, well, I hope you start feeling better soon because we've got to get that other couple of branches down.
I said, do you realize it would have been cheaper to pay the landscape, the people that come cut the grass?
Y'all just wanted to do it together.
So anyway, all this wood is sitting there. He goes, well, can you help me at least pick the wood up and put it in the wood barrel?
Good gravy.
I said, are you out of your mind? I am never doing one
Again.
bit of yard work as long as I live.
Oh, yeah, she got these babies tight.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. You saw how that one just
Maybe
unfolded?
The whole thing just came right out. Do you have one more there?
I think so.
I don't know what that big thick thing is, though. Are you leaving that for last?
Yeah.
The best for last.
That's the bow. That's the bow.
That's the bow.
Goodness.
She was really good. She was a young girl. But she said she went to school for just ER.
Wow.
And it was at Methodist over there on 99. And she kind of hops around from different ERs.
Oh, wow. I bet she get paid a good... Doc, did you catch it?
Get paid
My back is...
When did you have surgery?
October.
Did you have to go to...
Get that.
didn't-
All pretty.
That didn't make... Oh, I got another piece here, right?
I see one little hair.
Is that scab?
I think that's just a little...
Oh, no,
stitch.
that's a stitch.
Is that a stitch?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're in trouble now.
Yeah, that one's kind of deep.
Maybe it might just pull right out. Yeah, you already cut it.
Yeah, there's one. I can see the side of it. You see it?
Okay, now. We only need one doctor here.
Yeah, that's it.
She caught it.
She did. She did
Hold
good.
on, wait.
How about that little thing?
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, here?
Yeah, that little hair.
That little piece right there.
Yeah.
Don't they make some that dissolve?
Yeah, but these are...
Yeah, not for this.
Oh.
I don't think that's one. I don't think that's connected to the...
This is just a scab right here.
Yeah.
Because this was a little...
But it looks like it's a stitch still here.
Yeah, it does kind of.
Like when you look in here.
I'm going to have to put it one more time. And that one little dot was a stitch, and I got it right out for you. So, actually, not too bad. So we're going to dress this up for you, make it look pretty, and let you go home. Just keep it clean and dry like you have been doing. And this should heal up. And once it does, you let us know, and we'll get you a prescription for some scar topical products that we can use that'll help mitigate the scar. We can do that.
So in the meantime, just still wash it with soap?
Right. You don't want to put anything on this other than just keep it clean and dry, okay?
Oh, okay.
Thanks for letting us record for all our friends on YouTube. They're going to be so excited to see woman attacked by husband with chainsaw.
Yeah, it could have been worse. It really could have been worse.
Yeah, I think you're very lucky.
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking Medestone for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Hey there, Dr. Gilmore fans. We have an update about Cocoa Skin Plus. It's the newest supplement from the marvelous mind of Dr. John Gilmore. The proprietary mix of high-potency biotin, extra virgin coconut oil, and vegetable extracts is great for thicker hair, stronger, healthier nails, and softer skin. So if you notice your hair lacks luster, your nails aren't what they used to be, or your skin is dry and chapped, it's time to check out Cocoa Skin Plus. I've personally found that it's way easier to prevent chapped lips than it is to treat them. And I used to take a coconut oil supplement for it, so switching over to Cocoa Plus was an upgrade for me. It was for Kelly too. Let's hear from her.
I used to take regular biotin for thicker hair, so switching over to Cocoa Skin Plus was a no-brainer.
Nice. We'll put an Amazon link below, so get your 90-day supply today.